your personal life has always been something that's always in the news.
Yeah.
Like even today, if I was to Google Raveena Tandon, Akshay Kumar's name comes up with
Yeah.
it. And that you broke up with him 25, 30 years ago or
Yeah.
something. But it still comes up.
No, and it comes up that there's like, war between everyone whom he's involved with. Hello. Once I had moved out of his life, I was already dating someone else and he had moved on dating someone else. So, kahan se jealousy aayegi?
Yeah,
So,
it's January 2023 when we
Yeah.
are taping this.
yeah.
And the fourth or the fifth story, if you type Raveena Tandon, comes up is Raveena Tandon's engagement with Akshay Kumar. Which year was that?
Forgotten about it.
Forgot. So it's still talked about. I think there are some pairings which people never
Yeah,
forget.
I think we were a hit pair during Mohra, and even now when we bump into socially, we all meet, we all chat, and I mean everyone moves on. Please, girls are changing their boyfriends every week in colleges since then to now, but one engagement that has broken is still stuck to my head. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But so everyone moves on. People have divorces. People move on. Yeah. So what's the big deal?
So even after that, after he broke up with you, it was always that, whoever he finds, he's finding people who look like Raveena. Do you remember that? Those stories
No, I
which
don't.
you don't, or you just blocked it out of your mind?
I would not read anything that was written about that, because then why unnecessarily अपना blood pressure high करें? तो पढ़ो ही नहीं ना, better.
Do you do that often? Like, stay away from
Yeah, I block it out.
gossip magazines of those days? Now there are
Were
no
completely
magazines.
blocked from my house.
Really?
Yeah, because 90s gossip magazines were the worst. And some of those women I see roaming around today carrying the women's lib badge over their heads and their hearts, who were the worst enemies of women, would body shame women, would slut shame women, would do everything possible to bring another woman down. And today they roam around being the biggest, feminists. So I was like, when did that happen? If I start telling stories about them.
To you, where nobody would body shame you. You always looked perfect.
Oh no, please! I was called a lot of things.
You always
Kabhi
was.
90s ke kholo, TT and thunder thighs and miss this and miss that.
You
Please,
had
I was called
thunder
a lot.
thighs. That I don't believe that.
Yeah. But I
I
was
know
plump. I
Sridevi
started
was-
at 16 and a half. I had all full baby fat, which still hasn't gone. So I don't care now. I am being like that. I am like that. Too bad. Take it or
No,
lump it.
you're exaggerating. It was like, I think Sridevi was called that a lot.
I think after that, and I was called that. I don't know. I remember some of these titles. No, not only for me, a lot of other heroines also. And besides that, I think instead of supporting women, what they did was all these women editors, first of all, would fall in love with the heroes. And then what the hero said was the last word. If he wanted to, pan a woman, the woman would be panned and shamed and literally her career ruined in the magazines with nasty articles being put out about her. There were so many untrue articles that were put out just because some heroes went and said, "Acha, uske bare mein aise likh do abhi." And it would be the last word. And even if there would be an apology, there would be one last line in some other issue of the magazine that story we carried ultimately proved not to be true. But who will read that? At that time, the screaming headlines is what made news, right?
Yeah.
So that used to
Social
happen a
media
lot.
kind of changed all that, right? There is the viciousness also, but at least
I
you
agree.
can put out your point of view.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is what is very, very necessary, is that today you can put out the truth instantly, that
Yeah.
see, this is the proof and this is where I was and this is what it is.
Yeah.
But at that time, what the newspapers wrote or what the media wrote was the last word.
Yeah.
You didn't have a voice.
It was like, I remember anybody put on a little weight, any actress put on, is she pregnant, is she pregnant, is she pregnant?
Yeah.
That whole thing.
Yeah.
At least now, I mean, within a day, denial can go out that, okay,
Of
it was
course,
just,
and
I had
proof.
samosas for
Correct.
lunch or whatever,
Correct. Yeah. No, not samosa. I mean, and-
Whatever. I mean, I'm being facetious,
but it used to be really, really dirty. The 90s journalism and that breed of those journalists were really dirty. Really dirty.
is that why you
Vicious.
just moved out once you got married? Like, you just,
Yeah. That's why I was like, okay, I'm waiting because this viciousness I can't deal with. Because I am not like that as a person. What I am on the face. I think initially, in fact, I remember Stardust even writing an article about, I don't believe in plucking flowers. I prefer flowers and animals in the forest and in the nature where they should be. So I started this trend of sending people cakes right in the 90s. And I remember Stardust writing an article, see how diabetically, artificially fake, sweet she is. Nowadays, she sends cakes to everyone instead of flowers for her birthday.
Okay.
How does that make that an article? I would say I'd rather send a bottle of wine or cake, and that's what I started. I used to send everyone cakes. So that was supposed to be fake. So ऐसे लिखते थे उन लोग.
You were done with films at that stage?
Like I told you, I started on a whim. Never thought that this would be. I never grew up with the fact मैं बड़े होके actress बनूंगी, heroine बनूंगी, and this is my be all end all, and I breathe, eat, drink, sleep films. No, that was not the thing with me.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.